Have you ever wondered if you should do a castor oil pack? Maybe you're not even sure what this is, or you've maybe heard me recommend it in other videos and you aren't sure if it's right for you. Today, I'm so excited to share with you 20 powerful health benefits and specific health conditions that can greatly benefit by the use of castor oil therapy. Today, I'm digging all into powerful benefits here, and I hope it will encourage you to use this powerful medicinal in your everyday life to combat an assortment of health challenges you might be dealing with. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love castor oil pack therapies. I have been recommending castor oil packs since I was in my master's program. And as a clinician to tons of patients with inflammation and swelling, hormonal imbalances, infertility, liver challenges, even cancer cases, castor oil can be extremely beneficial. So let's dig into these 20 health benefits of using castor oil pack therapy in your daily, weekly, and monthly health routines. My number one all-time favorite reason why castor oil pack therapies are beneficial, it promotes lymphatic drainage. It is a great resource if you want to promote your lymphatic system in enhancing the lymph flow, addressing a swollen lymph node, and just overall reducing inflammation and enhancing circulation. Powerful, powerful for us to get specific with different organs, different glands, and lymphatic system imbalances, whether it's edema or lymphedema or you're dealing with a swollen lymph node. Love it for lymphatic drainage. Number two, it is great for improving your digestive process, especially if you have gas or bloating. And this leads into number three, which is castor oil packs are great for alleviating constipation. One of the powerful things that castor oil pack therapy does is it helps to get things moving. Lymphatically, it gets things moving. It also gets circulation moving. And when we're talking about our bowels, our small and large intestine, castor oil has this amazing capacity to be dense. It gets through the dermal layer and can address the organ or tissue matter we want to target. Whether it's a joint or in this case, your large intestine, it will motivate bowel movements. And this is really convenient, especially if you're a parent and you need to help a young child or even an infant move their bowels. We are using castor oil topically to do that in a very natural and safe way. Fourth is castor oil actually helps support liver function. This is great. If you're a regular viewer of mine, you know I'm always recommending moving and supporting your liver, getting the bile function processing, helping this grand filter that's detoxing our blood and dealing with a lot of pathogens and chemicals and hormones that it's having to not just detox out, but synthesize and help us metabolize. So particularly if you're dealing with kind of the feeling of angst and anger, a lot of heat in your body, maybe you're having hot flashes, which are often rooted in the liver, or you might be dealing with fatty liver disease, as well as elevations in your liver enzymes, or maybe gallbladder imbalances. Castor oil packing over your liver is great for addressing that motivation of your liver, and you're getting the promotion of the lymphatics, which also helps clear and drain and detox the liver itself. Number five, so powerful in pain reduction. I love castor oil pack therapy for localized pain. It's great for joints, it's great for muscles and soft tissue, and also for my athletes. I have a lot of athletes that cannot use pain medicine or certain restrictions on even natural therapies. Castor oil we can use topically to reduce inflammation and to ease the pain. Double whammy win there. I love it for a lot of pain relief. Number six, going along with pain relief, if women experience menstrual cramps, castor oil packing over the uterus can be highly beneficial in reducing inflammation and the pain associated with cramping. Number seven, it has a powerful capacity to promote blood flow and circulation. If you watched any of my blood flow circulation videos that have gone recently super viral, this is a huge benefit to that population because castor oil helps to motivate the blood flow. It can help ease vein problems, so like spider veins and varicose veins. I actually have a video from several years ago where I explain my own situation with a single varicose vein after having Gabriel. But wow, it eases the inflammation, the tightness of my calf, and the pain associated with varicose vein. The eighth reason you might be hearing a trend. Castor oil pack therapy can reduce inflammation. This is just beneficial across the board. We generally are inflamed beings from stress and everyday use and just overwhelm of our body being bombarded with toxins and chemicals. But ultimately, the root cause of illness and disease is inflammation. If we can stop inflammation, we live a healthier, happier life. And guess what? Castor oil pack therapy can bring down your inflammatory factors in different areas of your body. Number 9, it can boost your immunity. Partly due to its lymphatic promotion and the blood flow circulation enhancement, you are going to get a powerful benefit to your immune system when you do castor oil pack therapies. Number 10, it promotes and enhances skin health. Castor oil is really great for eczema, psoriasis, certain skin conditions. It is very powerful at easing a lot of the dermal inflammation that is not just superficial. So it goes deep in to the dermal and beyond to promote the lymphatics and reduce inflammation of a lot of skin conditions. And it's moisturizing and contains antibacterial properties. So this across the board for a lot of skin conditions is very beneficial. Number 11, it can enhance hair growth, especially if you want hair growth up here in your scalp or in the eyebrow area or even your eyelashes. I know a lot of women will take a little mascara brush and dab the brush in castor oil and gently brush their eyelashes, and it enhances the eyelash growth, the strength, and the thickness. Same with your eyebrows. And its anti-inflammatory properties are great for the scalp, especially if somebody is dealing with dermatitis or hormone-related follicular inflammation of the hair follicle. Really powerful at reducing the inflammation so that the hair growth can resume and be super healthy. Number 12, I love to recommend this for any of my post-surgical cases. Castor oil can support the reduction in scar tissue. Now, post-surgically, you want to wait until your scar is fully healed and obviously sutures are removed before you begin to use this to address scar buildup. But scar tissue itself can be broken up by using repeated castor oil pack therapy over that scar. I am not kidding when I have patients that have 30 or 40-year-old scars that are deep and keloided and, kind of bolstered down from adhesions and just a lot of scar tissue. After several months of using castor oil and my kneading therapy, they have supple, flat, white scar lines. It's really great for breaking up the protein density in scar tissue. Our 13th reason is it's great for enhancing fertility. One of the things, especially with women, we will use castor oil pack therapy for women who have cysts on their ovaries or inflamed, fibrotic-ridden endometrial tissue. This is really great for just enhancing the communication of the ovaries to the thyroid and the pituitary gland and the whole process of communication that our ovaries need to help control and balance our hormone cycle. If you don't care about fertility, but you're looking at balancing your hormones and want a good, healthy menstrual cycle, castor oil pack therapy can help deploy that balancing, especially with your ovaries and the uterine lining. The 14th reason I really love castor oil is it helps alleviate arthritis. This is because it reduces pain and inflammation and swelling. So arthritis, especially of a joint like the elbow, the wrist, the knees, the ankles, it can reduce the edema, the swelling, and it helps reduce the pain of that tissue. You can castor oil pack a knee or an ankle or an elbow or a wrist every day for 20, 30 minutes, and you're gonna get a really good reduction in pain and inflammation that becomes a long-term natural management solution for you. The 15th reason is it promotes wound healing. I do a lot of post-surgical work with patients, and I used to go into outpatient centers to help with wound healing. And this is a great way for reducing swelling, reducing bruising, and minimizing scar production that ends up leading to challenges down the road and just overgrowth of the scar tissue. And it also promotes circulation and lymphatic flow. All win-wins when you're looking at healing a wound or recovering after a post-surgical operation. The 16th reason is castor oil promotes sleep. It's really great for helping relax the body. It's soothing and stress relieving, and it promotes the lymphatics, which also helps to support sleep enhancements. The 17th benefit castor oil will provide is that it alleviates headaches. If you deal with hormonal headaches or cluster headaches or a series of tension-related headaches, castor oil packing the back of your neck, and even doing a little dab here on the temple, and even in this midsection right here, depending on the headache that you have, its location, castor oil can reduce the inflammation and the pain that you're feeling. This can alleviate the need to sleep in the dark or miss work. So I really love to recommend this for headaches. The 18th reason is it's relaxation promotive. Castor oil packing in general is just a nice way for you to relax your body, and it eases the inflammation, the tense muscles. This has a very powerful effect on your stress levels, and you can use it in a way that really targets your body's stress response mechanism. So here's my little tip for you. If you find you need adrenal support, maybe you're overwhelmed with high cortisol or just feeling taxed and maxed and overwhelmed, wired but tired, castor oil, the mid-back, where your adrenal glands are, that's a great way for alleviating the inflammation your adrenals are feeling and can ease the muscle tension that you often experience when those adrenals are revved. This is also leading back to number 16, where it promotes sleep. You do that in combination, you're gonna sleep great, you're gonna feel better, you're gonna feel less stressed. Number 19, I love to recommend as an anti-inflammatory, specifically to address sciatic pain. If you've ever had sciatic nerve pain, and I have only had this when I used to get B shots in my hip, oh my gosh, that pain is an insane pain, and it radiates all the way down, literally to like your big toe. Sciatic pain can be alleviated when you castor oil pack that left or right side of the hip. It just eases the inflammation, it motivates the lymphatics, and helps to minimize the burden of swelling and inflammation in and around that nerve that then eases the pain. I promise it works magically. Last and final, number 20, is that it alleviates back pain. I know a lot of us experience some related back issues. Mine is in the cervical spine. Maybe yours is in the lumbar or deep here in the lower back, and you're dealing with hip-related back pain. Overall, you can castor oil pack your back. Really, really powerful stuff. If you're curious about how to castor oil pack, what you need, how to clean up, all the preparation, I have a free PDF guide. You can see it here. There will be a link where you can download this free guide. And I'm also going to include a more recent updated resource that you can grab on Amazon that makes the castor oil packing cleaner and much safer, where we're not using any plastic or plastic wrap. So be sure to check out the description box below. But overall, I just want to tell you, castor oil packing is something not to shy away from. So many different powerful benefits, and I know that it can be in a kind of a pinch if you need pain relief, inflammation reduction, and just overall want to address promoting your lymphatics and easing stress. So powerful. I'm so excited to share this with you. I love castor oil packing. In my own life, it has addressed so many of these items on our top 20 list, but I know it will help you for your specific reason as well. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and follow, and I can't wait to see you on our next video.